Welcome back. It's been a minute since we gave you an update on the addition that we're doing in Marietta. But right now you can see we have the house shelled in, it's framed up, we have the wrap on, the felt on the roof. The shingles are about to go on in a minute, but we just have to raise the roof on the existing part of the house to get it leveled off with our addition. So that's what we're working on now. But we have some of the windows in, we still have some more that we have to put in to close up the bottom. We just put the ones on top so we can start opening the walls so we can get to the rest of the house. So we'll pick it up once we get into the inside. Okay, now we're on the inside of the lower level, the basement level of the addition. See, we have the windows already cut out and framed. And once we finish opening everything up, we'll go ahead and throw these windows in to get this one completely sealed in. But we already have the electrical ran, we have some water lines stubbed out, and then the next thing will be to go ahead and finish framing this out and open up the walls that's leading into the new, actually not the new, the existing part of the house. So what we're going to do next is go upstairs so you can see the master bedroom and bathroom suite that we're doing. Okay, now we're upstairs in the master suite. So where we're standing right now, this will actually be an extension of the master bedroom. You see we have tray ceilings in. We already have pretty much all the electrical. Right? See, we're still working out. We have all the electrical already ran. We've already started stubbing out the water lines for the master bathroom, which I'll bring you in. Right now we have double doors that's going to lead into the master bathroom. We have our toilet stall here, and this is where the closet will be. And once we open this wall up, the closet extended into the existing master bedroom. And this will be where the master bathroom. We have our double vanity that's going on here. We'll have our standalone tub here in the corner, and a walk-in custom shower in this corner. So, like I said, as you see, we already have all the electrical done. Most of the plumbing is done. So we're going to start opening things up, finish installing the windows, and get ready for our rough-in inspection. So once again, go to the channel, come renovate with us, like, subscribe, put on your notifications, and leave any comments if you have any questions or you just want to see what's going on our project. So this is another turnkey and superior edge project. See you soon.